Hey guys, a little bit of a review. This is a affordable doorbell. It's wireless. Basically, you mount that outside and you plug this in the wall and you're pretty much done. It's got over 36 different chimes. It's got a 3-point volume control on it. That's what it looks like on the box. I've already installed it, so not all the parts are going to be in here. It comes with wall plugs if you got to go through drywall. It also comes with self tappers if you go straight into aluminum siding or whatever. The back is missing. It comes with a 12-volt battery. It's the one with the little cells inside of it. You can also pick those up for alarm dongles. That comes with that. The backing, there's not much to it. It's just flat, and it's got two places where you can use the self tappers into the wall. And then this latches in the front, and this clips on the bottom. And you can't see it now, but when you take it outside and you hit it in the dark, it'll turn blue, sort of blue around there. There's the actual speakers right there. You got the 3-point volume. Every time you hit it, it starts low, medium, and high. Low, medium, and high. The bottom one is for your chimes. Like I said, it's got 36 chimes in it, so it takes a while to go through it. It comes with a screwdriver, and if you don't want to use this, if you don't want to screw it down to the wall outside, you can use a self-adhesive strip, but I don't think that's really a good idea. Someone's going to take off with this part. Anyway, let's plug it in and let you hear it. Okay, so they say this thing is good up to 1,000 feet. I'm guessing you're probably just going to keep it on the same floor in the house anyway, so. But the top one. Just goes on and on. And this is your volume. Three settings. That's about it. I've had it running for a couple of days. I've had no problems with it, so there's not much more I can show you than that. I don't feel like listening to it. But, you know, for the price, it's a pretty good deal. Later, guys.